I have to talk about one of my favorite films of this year, even though the year hasn't ended, but definitely it's
Yeah.
going to be in my list for sure. Um, it released on OTT and you got massive responses.
Yeah.
Massive. There were women again. It was sort of the what happened in the beginning when it got released here in the
Yeah.
theaters. Women emotionally connected. A lot of men connected. Wrote
Yeah.
down these huge posts and really long posts explaining what they are going through.
Hmm.
How does that make you feel? And also that maybe the film would have still been running and
Hmm.
maybe we would have so much more.
It would have been running if the lockdown wasn't called. We were only 2 weeks in the in the theaters, and we were picking up. We were having a steady weekday collection, and mostly with such kind of films, it's seen when you have a second weekday going stable. That
Yeah.
means you are gonna stay in for long. Imagine this is like a third film for Anubhav sir, but when we came up with Mulk, a couple of years back, when people didn't expect that out of him or me, that film ran for 6 weeks, slowly, steadily. So, of course, Thappar would have gone ahead and ran for a couple of more weeks. But this pandemic was like really taking over our lives at that point, and I think we knew at that point that okay, we'll have to stop it here and make peace with it. And probably when it comes on OTT is when it'll again find the audience, which it did. And what happened before OTT पे ये film आई कि people who had seen it had written so much about it, talked so much about it. It was discussed so much in media that people were already, I think, waiting to see it when it was going to come on OTT because there was so much spoken and written about this particular film. And then when it came, the people who read a lot on internet or write a lot on internet saw it, and then they started writing more and more because I guess they had heard or read something about it when it released. So it became like a snowball effect from because the more woke audience who is more present on social media started seeing it, and those people write a lot, that audience, if they connect with a film. So I guess that's what happened with this film because the word of mouth was already there since the release. And I think I'm happy that when the lockdown gets over, I'll be very fresh in people's memory because, first of all, just before the lockdown, we had the film releasing, and now just before the lockdown is going to get over, the
Yeah.
film was released on OTT, so people will have me fresh in their memory. They won't forget me anytime soon.
And what's interesting is I saw a lot of people from the industry also. I
Hmm.
know Bhumi saw it. I think Kriti saw it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um,
Lot of directors also saw it. Yeah, so I got a message. I got messages from Raju sir, Balki sir, Nitin Kakkar. A lot of people saw it. I'm might be missing out on a few names. Vinil, also my own director, saw it finally. Yeah, so a lot of people. So Vinil was like, I don't know how will I up this, like this is your by far the best film and the best performance I've seen. And he was like nervous that his film is going to come out after this, so he was like, I don't know how I'm going to up this, but this is too much of like the benchmark is set really high. So yeah, it's good to some really heartwarming compliments from a lot of people from outside. Outside, I used to get regularly from the kind of films that I do. A different set of audiences used to get triggered for different films for me. But in industry, people also who've seen have been very responsive. Karan had also messaged when he saw the film. So yeah, so the lot of people who messaged.
I know we've had this conversation before about how you really stopped, um, wondering whether the industry begins, like, you said Karan, and there are a lot
Hmm.
of other directors would just, watch and truly ever message. I mean, the beginning it used
Hmm.
to bother you. I know you had
Hmm.
said that.
Hmm.
And then eventually you're like, now I don't care because the love that I get from my audience is so much more important.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
but I feel that calling out that you did also made them realize that even they are probably a little unaware of the kind of cocoon that they live in. And
Hmm.
I feel that calling out has helped. Do you feel that?
Um, Calling out, no, but the Rudhani, when I have always believed when you stop running behind something, and just let it be. It will get to you sooner or later when it's
Yeah.
meant for you. So I stopped. I mean, even with be it with the directors in the industry, people, or be it the awards I used to tell you before, that
Correct.
I got heartbroken at a certain point in time where I felt I probably deserved it and I didn't get it because I was new. I was not that influential as a personality beyond the film.
Correct.
Is why I probably didn't get the due I thought maybe I deserved at that point, which
Correct.
broke my heart. But after that, instead of getting bitter about it and going on a rant about it, or just poking people about it, which is just going to make things so uglier between people in the industry, I thought might as well just keep delivering such kind of work every year, that kabhi na kabhi to haar ke they'll be like, just chuck it, yeah, just let's give it to her, let's just say it out. मतलब कभी तो notice करेंगे, मतलब 3 से 4 फिल्में अगर मैं एक साल में दूंगी, and if all of them hopefully are credible in some or the other way, they will have to acknowledge me na sooner or later. So I chose that way, that I'll be so relentless that they will have no other option. So there has been no bitter ties between any of the people who I felt didn't acknowledge me or recognize me before. So I know I'm getting all of that now. जो नहीं भी मिल रहा है अभी, वो slowly and steadily और 1-2 साल में मिल जाएगा. But I have to just keep going on the same positive path I feel I'm
Yeah.
going on, and it'll be fine.
Watch E-Town News Monday to Friday at 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom.